Well, it looks like the welders are working very hard with their heavy suits. Now, can you show me the argon welding that produces beautiful titanium welds?
They are welding the stainless steel. You can see the welding. You can see the welding is the welding line is very
argon welding.
smooth. It's argon welding.
And the titanium, yes, it's very very impressive.
It's TIG welding. Yeah.
Right. Excellent.
Yeah. We have the workers every day working very long time. They are working very hard.
So experience.
Yeah, experience the summertime. It's very hot. And so they are not easy.
Not easy, yeah.
Worker. Very thank you them.
Yes.
Because sometimes we need to hurry up, catch up our orders. Have to the weather quickly. So it's not
easy.
Yeah, they are